Yo guys, what is up? It is Nick, and in this video, I'll be unboxing a few Supreme packages. So without further ado, let's get into it. Guys, starting off with this first package, I'm just going to open it up and show you guys what's inside. Alright, as per usual, average little Supreme bag. And this came with a sticker. If you want the stickers, hit me up on Instagram. My link to it will be in my description. And this right here is the Supreme fanny pack. And actually, I ordered one of these, but it didn't freaking count my order last time. So it finally restocked and I was able to get it. And I'll be right back once I have it open. Alright guys, so here it is, out of it. This is actually a really dope piece. Normally I don't go for bags, but right now the fanny packs are very in. So the resale on them is very good, and you know I actually kind of like it. I mean, I always thought that guys they didn't always have bags, and it's kind of cool that you can have a fanny pack and throw all your shit in it. And one of the coolest things about this, of course, is the branding all around the outside. So when you wear it like a side bag almost, like this, you can see the Supreme branding everywhere. It's just a really cool, little extra thing. And of course, Supreme branding all around here, and it has the little box logo Supreme branding. The reason I got the tan one is because I think it goes with most things, and the black one's kind of ugly, so I didn't really want to get that, even though that would probably go with a little bit more outfits, but it's just a little too bland for my taste. Really good pickup. And let's go on to the next piece. Alright guys, so I have a few more pieces to show you, and I'm going to go through these pretty fast because none of these pieces are that hyped up, and honestly I don't think you guys would find a lot of interest in these. These are just miscellaneous pieces that I picked up. So I'll show you this first one. This is the Martin Luther King sweatshirt, and this piece didn't have a lot of hype, but I got it anyways because I thought it looked pretty cool. So as you guys can see, it just has Martin Luther King's face all over it. It says, "I have a dream," and some of his most famous quotes like, "I shall overcome." It's a really dope piece in my opinion. Honestly, I wish that there's more hype so more people would be enthusiastic about history a little bit more, and not just I know that certain things like satanic shit is really in, but stuff like this, it's appropriate, I would say. And another thing that I got, this is actually for my cousin. This is the bandana sweater. And I know this stuff's kind of old, but I just haven't done anything with it yet. I kind of took a hiatus from YouTube. And as you guys can see, it's just really simple. It doesn't have any branding on it really. It's just more, if you like the way it looks, then get it type of deal. And got this little elephant hat. It almost looks like some kind of Hindu god, but don't take my word on that, don't quote me on that. Not really too enthusiastic about any of this stuff. I mean, none of it's really that cool to me, except for the Martin Luther King hoodie. But it's just clothing, And this right here is just a pocket tee. Little Supreme branding on the pocket. Nothing really cool about this other than that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time.